Well, just days after Anthropic found itself at the center of a global AI sovereignty debate, Wipro has gone on in on Claude. The Indian IT giant has launched a new applied AI center of excellence powered by Anthropic's models, and it is planning to certify 10,000 employees on the technology over the next 18 months. Now, this is one of the clearest signals yet of where the enterprise AI race is actually heading. Wipro has launched the Applied AI Center of Excellence for Claude models at its Bengaluru Innovation Hub, operating under the company's newly formed AI Native Business and Platforms Unit. The focus is helping enterprises move from AI experimentation to large-scale deployment. Claude will be integrated across the Wipro Intelligence platform stack, embedding AI into real-world workflows rather than running endless pilots. The company plans to build AI-native solutions across healthcare, manufacturing, airlines, consumer businesses, and mortgage services, with actually the explicit goal of moving past AI promises toward measurable business outcomes, which is a breath of fresh air. The detail worth actually focusing on is what these 10,000 people will actually be doing. They're not actually just being trained to use Claude. No, they are being certified as frontline delivery experts, working directly with enterprise customers to design, deploy, operate, and govern AI systems inside real business environments. Wonderful. Companies do not actually generally commit to certifying a workforce at that scale unless they believe the demand on the other side is about to become extremely real. Now, because Wipro is not acting alone in this, I would like for you to, of course, understand that Infosys has expanded its Anthropic relationship and is integrating Claude capabilities into enterprise transformation programs. Then we have HCL Tech, who is building enterprise AI offerings around Anthropic's models while simultaneously making one of the biggest strategic bets in Indian AI through its investment in Sarvam AI. TCS has partnered with both OpenAI and Anthropic, continuing to expand AI deployment capabilities for clients globally. Now, across the industry, I'm talking, of course, about TCS, Infosys, HCL Tech, Wipro, LTI, Cognizant, Tech Mahindra, Coforge. Wow. Everyone is investing heavily in AI implementation, governance, deployment, and operationalizing the entire situation. Now, of course, if you have been watching Front Page, and we thank you for it because you like, share, and subscribe, and you, of course, truly motivate us at the Front Page team, and I'm of course talking about myself as well. But of course, now I want to bring your focus to why I mentioned that. Just days ago, LTI launched AI 1000, a program to create over 1,000 AI certified engineers and forward deployed engineers. Now, before that, Cognizant had introduced frontier engineers and frontier business operators. Now, these are different companies, different job titles, and maybe, yes, different strategies. But have you noticed that they are all converging on the same conclusion? The model is no longer the constraint, the deployment factor is. Wipro specifically chose Claude, and that choice is not incidental. While OpenAI continues to dominate consumer mindshare, Claude has increasingly become the preferred model for enterprises' use cases involving research, compliance, documentation, coding, and workflow automation in regulated industries, exactly where Wipro operates across healthcare, financial services, and manufacturing. Now, Anthropic gets actually also a deeper enterprise reach. Wipro, on the other hand, gets one of the strongest enterprise-focused AI platforms in the market. That actually looks less like a branding exercise and more like a calculated alignment, maybe a win-win for both. Now, for years, Indian IT generated growth by helping enterprises implement ERP systems, cloud computing, cybersecurity platforms, and digital transformation programs. AI, we believe, is the next wave of exactly that kind of pattern. Every enterprise can already access AI. That's, well, a done deal. But what they cannot do alone is connect it to internal systems, manage compliance, maintain governance, track ROI, and train a workforce to actually use it well. That integration work, not so much the model access bit, is where Indian IT sees its next decade of growth. Wipro CEO Srini Pallia, described the initiative as a fundamental shift in how the company delivers services, combining Claude's capabilities with Wipro's domain expertise and consulting-led approach to help customers accelerate adoption while delivering measurable outcomes. Quite interesting. And that, of course, brings me to the front page take. Now, only a year ago, the question was whether AI would disrupt Indian IT. The honest answer arriving now is very different, right? Indian IT did not get disrupted by AI. It became AI's distribution network. Wipro has put a number on it, that is 10,000 people, 18 months, one very specific bet that the company that teaches the world to use a model well ends up mattering more than the company that has built it. What are your thoughts? Please do let us know in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.